Hi, friends! Welcome back to the Eat with Evidence channel. If you love adding cilantro to your soups, stews, and curries, but hate how quickly it turns into a slimy mess in the fridge, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you a simple, game-changing method to keep your cilantro crisp, vibrant, and fresh in the fridge for up to a month. And I'll also share one of my favorite freezer hacks that locks in cilantro's bold flavor for months on end. Method 1. Storing cilantro in water. The trick is to stop thinking of cilantro as a vegetable and start treating it like a bouquet of flowers. Because that's basically what it is. A delicate plant that needs water to stay alive. First, take your cilantro and give the stems a little trim, just like you would with flowers. Snip off about an inch from the bottom. This is a key step because the ends are often dried out, and a fresh cut helps them drink up that water and send it all the way to the leaves, keeping them hydrated and crisp. Next, grab a jar or a glass. A mason jar or even a regular drinking glass works perfectly. Fill it with about an inch or two of cold, fresh water. You don't need a lot, just enough to cover the ends of the stems. Now, place the cilantro bunch, stems down, right into your jar of water. It should stand up like a proud little green bouquet. You might be tempted to just stick it in the fridge now. But hold on. There's one more crucial step. The cold, dry air in a refrigerator is designed to pull moisture out of food, which will make your cilantro leaves wilt. To stop this from happening, you're going to give your herb bouquet its own personal humidity dome. Just take a lightweight plastic bag. A grocery store produce bag or large Ziploc bag is perfect, and loosely drape it over the top of the leaves. You can tuck it around the mouth of the jar, but make sure it's loose and tented. You're not trying to suffocate it. You're just creating a little shield to keep the leaves happy without getting them soggy. Place your cilantro bouquet in the fridge. The fridge door is a great spot, as it's usually a little less cold. To keep it in prime condition, change the water every 2 or 3 days, or whenever you notice it getting a bit cloudy. This keeps bacteria away and the water source fresh. With this simple method, you can expect your cilantro to stay vibrant and fresh for an incredible 2 to 4 weeks, maybe even longer. Method 2. Storing cilantro in paper towel. For this method, the cilantro needs to be absolutely clean and dry, so we are going to wash it first. Even if it looks clean, store-bought cilantro is usually hiding a little dirt and grit. Taking a few minutes to prep your cilantro is the difference between it lasting 2 days and it lasting 4 weeks. The best way to wash it without bruising the delicate leaves is to fill a big bowl with cold water. Then add about a tablespoon of baking soda and stir gently. Dunk the whole bunch in the bowl and gently swish it around. You'll be amazed at what gets left behind. Lift the cilantro out, dump the dirty water, and repeat until it's clear. Now for the most critical part. Drying. Moisture is the absolute #1 enemy of fresh herbs in the fridge. Any extra water left clinging to the leaves will cause them to rot. You need to get your cilantro as dry as humanly possible. You can use paper towels or a clean kitchen towel. Just lay the cilantro out in a single layer and gently pat it dry. You can even loosely roll it up in the towel to soak up every last drop. Seriously, take your time here. The drier the cilantro, the longer it will last. Where are you watching me from? Let me know in the comments. It's nice that we can connect from around the world. Finally, give your bunch a quick look over. Pull out any leaves that are already yellow, wilted, or just look a little sad. These will only speed up the decay of the whole bunch, so it's best to get them out now. Now that our cilantro is clean, bone dry, and inspected, it's ready for its new home. Take your cilantro and wrap them in paper towels. For best results, damp the paper towels a little bit. Transfer the wrapped cilantro into an airtight container or Ziploc bag and store them in the crisper drawer of your refrigerator. This method works well for chopped cilantro too. In case you've chopped more cilantro than you can use, you can wrap your chopped cilantro in damp paper towels and then place them in airtight containers in the crisper drawer of your refrigerator. If you're enjoying this video and will love to see more helpful tips like this, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything I upload. And also hit the like button. It's a free way of supporting us. I know you will enjoy being here with all the helpful tips I will be uploading. Method 3. Storing cilantro in the freezer. The water and paper towel methods are amazing for having crisp, fresh cilantro on hand. But what if you want to keep that flavor around for the long haul? Or what if you bought a giant bunch and you know you won't use it all in a month? For that, we turn to the freezer. Start by chopping your clean, dry cilantro. Go ahead and include the tender stems. They have a ton of flavor. Next, grab a freezer-safe airtight container or a Ziploc freezer bag and put the chopped cilantro inside. Then pop it inside the freezer. When you need it, just take the container from the freezer and use the cilantro from frozen. No need to thaw. It'll thaw almost instantly in a hot pan. This method keeps the cilantro's flavor locked month after month. So for recap, the water and paper towel methods are your go-to for short-term storage, keeping cilantro fresh and crisp for up to a month. Then the freezer hack is your long-term strategy for locking in flavor for 6 months or more. And there you have it. You are now officially equipped to defeat cilantro slime forever. No more gooey messes in your crisper drawer, no more wasted money, and no more emergency trips to the store because the bunch you bought 3 days ago already gave up. If this video helped you solve one of your biggest kitchen headaches, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And for more kitchen hacks that will save you time and money, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!